Okay, we're gonna do the scales and cadences in the finger number group 2 on top of the group 1, which are C, G, D, A, E, right? 5 keys. And we're gonna go on to next 5th higher note in circle 5th, B, F sharp, C sharp, and then we're gonna skip the other A flat, E flat, B flat, and then F. So there will be 4 keys in finger number group 2. We're not gonna play the black key group, black keys major and minor. So you don't have to actually play the G flat, which is F sharp, and then D flat here, but I'm just gonna explain for your information, and you're gonna learn these black key scales and cadences in keyboard skills too. So it's good to know. So you can just play B major and F major in keyboard skills 1 class. What is group 2 fingering? Before we have the finger number, you should recognize the black key groups, like as they get together 2 black key group and then 3 black key group here. Okay, so it kind of repeats again. So I want you to just try to practice like clusters together. Even though you already know these, you can just try 2 and 3 clusters and going down like this. And after that, you can just melodically and going down together. So you can use only 2 and 3, which are bunny finger. I'm gonna call you bunny fingers. So like 2 and 3 only for the 2 black group, and then 2, 3, 4 on 3 black key group, like this, right? And then 2, 3. Like this. So you won't use the 1 and 5 for the black keys. No 1 or 5 and for the black keys, okay? You should remember. Okay, and after you try those black key groups, we can start with the B major. So B major, how many sharps? Yeah, 5 sharps, right? And you could build the scale from like a whole step, whole, half, whole, half, right? So that you could have 5 sharps. So to play the B major scale, you're gonna play 2 black keys with 2, 3 for both ends, and then 3 black keys with 4, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4. So it is quite opposite way with playing left hand and right hand, but you should remember you don't use the 1 and 5. You just use the middle 3 fingers like this, okay? So when I play the right hand only, then it's gonna be 1 on B, the first note, and then 2 black key notes. And what is the next note? That's the white key, right? So you're gonna use just 1 to play that E. And then the other 3 black keys are in a row. So you just play this and then use 1 for the root. And you can continue. Like this. Okay, so same for the left hand, B with 1, and then 2. Okay, different keys. And you can go down the 1, 2, 3, 1. It's quite simple. So it's really simple when you play both ends together too. So play both ends on 1, and then 2, 3, like this, and then 1 on E, and 1 on B again, go down, so you're gonna put right hand 4 here, and then 2 and 1, 3 here for the right hand, the left hand just goes. Okay, so when you play G major scale, it's same. So start with G, right, and then play with 1, and then now play 1, and next is, right, if you keep going on, you're gonna go like this, but when you play just 1 octave, then you can just go down and 1. Yeah, this is how to play the G flat major. And then let's play the F major. F major is a little slightly different because F major, we only have 1 black key, B flat, right? Fingering is same. So think that F is the root, it's just separate note with thumb. And instead we're playing black keys here, we play the white keys in the right side, the very right keys of that. And B flat, we play black keys, so you just play with this, with 4 and 2. So instead of this, we're gonna play like this. The fingering is same, right? And then C and C with thumbs. Instead of playing 2 black keys here, we play 2 white keys because we don't have flats here. And play F. And same, you're gonna use 3, 2, right hand, and 2, 3. 1, play 4 and 2, and then no black keys. Okay, this is how you play the F major. So when you play the separate hand, same. Right? 1, 2, 3, 1. If you want to go out, that's same. And then go down, 3, 2, 1, and change to 4. So it's in all the same way to play in fingering group 2. The minor keys that are in group 2 are B, D sharp, or you can call it E flat, and B flat, and F. So it's a little different from major. We're gonna just play B and F. So I'm gonna just explain about B and F minor for this class, for the minor. Okay, so like B minor, like we just played B major. B minor, the fingerings are exactly same, but you don't play the same notes, right? So whole step and half step for the harmonic minor scale. But finger number same as you played like this. And play 1 on E. So you're not playing A flat, you're just playing 2, 3's half step and the whole step, and the 5 and 6, right? Half step and the 7th higher. So you're gonna use 2, 3, 4 instead of this. You're gonna use, right? And 1. They're going down. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So left hand, start with 1 and change to 3. Okay, not 4 here because you have two black key group here. And then instead of this black key, you play D and 1 on E. Use 4 because you have 3 black keys. And you're gonna play this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1 like this. Both ends. 1 and 3 black keys. minor, same. And remember, we have F minor is the relative minor of A flat major. We have 4 flats, but yeah, we're gonna play the harmonic minor, so let's figure it out. So 2, 3, half step. We're gonna have 2 black keys here, and then C, 5 and 6 is half step. And instead of playing this, we raise 7th up and 1. So we're gonna use still using the 2 and 3 here, and thumb for the root. Okay. And I play right hand. Right, 2, 3, in 3 black key area, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, right, and the left hand. 4, use 4 because we are in 3 black key area. 4, 3, 2, and 1 on C. 2 black keys. 1. So actually we use 3 fingers, 2, 3, 4 after 1, 3, and then 2 fingers after we use thumb here. So you kind of alternate 1 and 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, like this. Just remember when you play the finger group number 2. I know that you are able to play the cadences now, but it's already it's a little bit harder to play B major and kind of B minor, F major, F minor. It's a little harder to play. You remember how it moves. You can remember that. That's how you figure out it easier if you have too many sharps and flats. So, okay, let's explain about the B major first. So, you are able to find B 5-finger scale. So 5-finger scale, and you're gonna play 1, 3, 5, right? And yeah, you can find 1, 4, 6 of the scale notes, but you can also find 4 chord from 1 chord. Like root is same. You're going to go half step up from the middle note, the 3rd, go half step up, and then the 5th note goes a whole step up. So from 1 chord to 4 chord, you go half step and a whole step. Yeah, this is always same when you play the cadence. So even if you play that F major, it's 1 chord. To play the 4 chord, you go half step up and then whole step. That's every time you're gonna play in the same way. From 1 chord, B major, to 5 chord, you're gonna remember the root goes half step down, the 3rd goes half step up. So after you go the opposite way, like this, and the top note, the 5th is same. So these 2 notes go half step up top, and this is gonna be your 5 chord, 5-7 chord. Okay, it's same in F major. 1 chord, you go half step down, half step up, and the same. That's every time 5-7 chord. Okay, it's a little different in minor cadences. When you play the minor cadences, you should remember 1 chord minor, 1 minor chord, right? Instead of major, you play 3rd note different. So you start with 1 chord. To play the minor 4 chord, you need to go whole step up and then half step up for the top. Actually, the half step up for the top, that's same from the major. But minor, the middle 3rd note go the whole step up. Okay, so from 1 chord to 4 chord. When you play F minor, that's same. That's 1 chord. The middle note go whole step up. that's always 4 chord, minor 4 chord. And to play the 5/7 chord from 1 chord, B minor, 1 chord, the same. The roots go half step down, but the middle note need to go to a whole step up instead of half step up like my major did. You go whole step up in the middle note, and then the top note the same. So from 1, it's going half step down and then whole step up. Okay, in F minor, from 1 chord, if you want to go to 5/7 chord, it's gonna be half step down and the whole step up for the middle note. Okay, and go back to 1. Yep. Now I'm gonna just demonstrate the scales and cadences in B and F major minor. So no black keys.